So, you have an Xbox 360 and you want to upgrade the hard drive. Well, how do you change out the hard drive? How do you remove it? First, you have to locate it. So, turn your console up on its side to what would be the bottom if you correctly position it. You notice the DVD tray is towards the bottom. There's your button. Turn that back off. Yeah, I'd recommend unplugging it, but you don't necessarily have to, but I'm gonna do that anyways. Unplug it. Alright, you notice this button right here. It's three little vent things. You just pull this forward and it releases this lid. Then you have your hard drive, which you just pull it out just like so, and install it, just clip it in. There you go, folks.